Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, a video classroom, and this is Vlajan. And today we will learn lesson 129, 70 miles an hour. Assalamu alaikum arkadaşlar. Gayet tərbiyləş mərkəzimizin dərs xanasına gələnlərini qarşılayırıq. And bugünkü dərsimizdə yeni oqum İngilis. Birinci qism 129-cu dərs 70 miles an hour. Or look at these pictures. So what do they mean? Okay guys, endi bu resimlarning ma'nosini bilamizlar? Deb beringlar, nima resimlar bu? Okay, men birinchisi stop deydi, shunami? Okay, stop degan nima edi? Stop deganimiz to'xtang degan gap, ha? To'xtashning belgisi, shunami? Next one slow. Okay, demakchi mashinani deb kelsangiz astildan slow. Slow, shunami? Okay, what about that one? Maybe that one is very common. You can see every corner of the street, right? Ma'bu sayintan naytan meylenge tanışıp olan belge bu. Bu belgini mersanglar no parking. Okay, demekçi maşın to'xtatish qat'iy man'iy qilindi deganga bo'lishi ama no parking. Good, no parking. What about the last one? Look this one. Okay, ma'buchi? Okay, I'm the ma'busini mersanglar. Okay, 80, right? You know, 80 miles an hour. Okay, demekçi sürat çeklimizde 80. Endi bu şu sürat çeklimizde degan nima? Sana you shouldn't drive faster. Okay, it means you shouldn't drive what? Faster. Siz aytsangiz qanday bo'lmaydi. Shunami? You shouldn't drive faster than 80 miles an hour. Demekçi mishara sizning çeklimingiz 80 deyishib kelsa bo'lmaydi degan. Endi mana bu nima desanglar, the speed limit here is 80 miles an hour. Alright. Demekçi mishariki surat cheklimiz bo'lsa, qana 80 mil. Soatiga 80 mil menish keraklar. Okay, endi inglizda savolashlar. Jiq bo'lib bilmaydi. Masalan, mishariki mile. Alright. 1 mile zar qancha kilometr ketadi. Demekçi hamda g'arbda ko'pincha ishlatganda shu odatda oraliqqa mile deganni ishlatamiz. Endi 1 mile taxminan approximately 1.6 demekçi 1.6 kilometrdan. Demek endi 80 mil. Demekçi 80 millik sürat deganimiz endi men harakatim bo'ldi desanglar, taxminan 128 kilometr soat. Okay, u 128 mi xilati surat, ha? Xilati surat. Xo'sh, endi bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zlarni yig'ib qildi. Oh, look, what about this policeman? What is he doing? Nima ish qilyapti u? Look, that policeman is waving to you. Okay, do you know waving? Hi, hi. Okay, this is waving, kind of, right? This is kind of waving. Andaqdan avo saqchi, saqchi sizga qanday qiladi? Qo'l bilan ushlayapti. Demakki, yoki sharat qilyapti. Shunama sharat qilyapti. Okay, demak misharaga wave deganimiz nima desanlar? Move your hand from one side to other side in the air like this. Hi, hi. Da qo'l bilan cho'yish nima? Okay, that is a wave. Okay, tushunala? Wave. Good. Wave. Okay. So when do you wave your hands? Okay, siz qachon qo'lingizni pulanglatdingiz? So when do you wave your hands? All right. And then look at this. What is about this picture? Ma resim nima resimni balla? Bu qarasang nima? Musobaqaniki, musobaqachilarning nimasi ekan? Yugurish yo'li ekan, ha? Yugurish yo'li degan nima misol? Race track. Xo'sh, race degan odatda meyariki, shu avtomobil yoki masalan surat taraf qilgan musobaqalarni race deymiz, track deganimiz yo'q. Demakchi yugurish yo'li. Good. What about look at these cars? Endi mana shu mashina qaranglar, birisi pink and birisi yellow ekan. Qaranglar. Wah, qanday qildi? Endi mana sariq mashina, al rang mashinani qanday qilib ketdi? Yandab ketdi. Okay, demakchi yellow car came across behind the pink car and moved in front of it. Aninki pink car ninki nima qilyapti? Lekin nima? Yo'tkilib oldiga keldi. Demak, bu nima desanlar? Yellow car overtook the pink car. And the merki yellow car qanday qildi? Mush overtook qildi. Shunaqa qaysi carni? Pink carni. Pink carni. Okay. And the merki overtake. And this other merki over. Qaranglar. Over deganimiz nima desanglar? Over deganimiz hamda shu olqib ketmak. Shunama take deganimiz ilib. Demak, shuni olqib ketish, yondab ketish degan gap, ha. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli overtook, overtaken. Okay, overtook and o'tgan bitgan shakli overtaken. Okay, hamda ba'zilarga mashinalar bilan qolsak, bir qiziqarli bir belgini ko'ramiz. Qarasanglar, bunday o'tsanglar. Rəhmətlikmi sizdəki yandaydı? Deməkçi, yandıman, yandığı adamlar rəhmətlik olub gedikən degan gap oluşuna mı? Okay, rəhmətlikmi sizdəki yandaydı? Demək, yandaş degan nima? Overtake. Overtake. Don't overtake. Xoş, hamsa, qaranglar. Overtake-niki qandayken? Mesela, o aq mashina qanday qildi? Overtake qilibdi. Okay. Look at what is he doing? Policeman demiş ki the policeman charged me for driving too fast. Okay, demeydi. Bu ersakçı demiş ki charged me bana demek koydu. Jariman koydu. Demiş ki for üçün driving too fast. Nayeti tızaydı geçke. Demekçi intayin tızaydı geçke. Bu nimo kana kıldı? Okay. Bu saqchi mana jarimani qo'ydi. Demakchi sharga charge. Okay. Charge deganimiz nima dersanglar? To ask somebody to pay money. Demakchi jarimani qo'yman. Okay. So, if you want to drive a car, you must get it. What is it? Nimaga erishishingiz kerak bo'ladimi bu yerda? Masalan, agar bir mashina demoqchi bo'lsangiz, you must get what? You must get a driving license. All right, driving license. Okay, and my driving license tinke o'quvchi bo'lmagan hamda bu yerga angliyacha bilan Amerika yezilish tezroq farq bor. Ma'lumma birinchisi driving license, yana birisi driving license. Birisi angliyacha, birisi nima desam Amerikacha. Bir farq nima? Birisi S, birisi C. Xo'sh. Keyingicha savolashda, okay, you know, look at this picture. What is it doing? Nima chiqyapti? Müşkçaq bir tush ko'radi, nimani ko'radi, biliqlash, nima? Yo, biliqisam deb. Nima? To experience things in your mind while you are sleeping. Okay. Demakchi, siz uxlayotganda bir qo'lingizda bir narsa experience qilsangiz, bu nima bo'ladi desanglar? Dream bo'ladi. Okay, degan nima? Dream. Okay, dream. Okay, dream degan tush ko'rmak. Yana birga xiyol surmak. Shunama, qo'llisi diqqat qilmay boshqa bir narsa o'ylash bo'lsa, dream deymiz. Endi ham xiyol deganda nima desanglar? Daydream. Shunama, quruq xiyol demakchi. Kunduzda ko'rgan tushni deymiz, daydream. Shunama, agar kecha tush ko'rsang nima? Dream. Yoki orzu, g'oya deb bor. Undan keyin o'sha dunyoviy dangliq bir nutq bor. I have a dream. Bu dangliq dangliq shu Amerika tarixida o'tgan shaxs Martin Luther King Jr. niki nutqi sizlar bizniki mush abditaldan topa olasizlar. Abdital orqali bushdan qarasanglar bizniki mush I have a dream niki hatta sin qo'yoqliq o'jidan tortpachi. Sizlar mushdan tushirib olsangiz bo'ldi. I have a dream. Nima? Mening bir orzuyim bor. Okay. Endi bizning g'oya til tarbiyalash markazi, g'oya ma'rifa. Nima? Biz buni tarjima qilsak o'xshash nima? Dream. Okay, dream. Xo'sh, amsa men tunugim bir tush ko'ribdimi degan deymiz. I dreamt a sweet dream. Okay, I dreamt nima? Sweet dream. Demakchi men tunugim bir night shirin tush ko'ribdim. Sweet dream. Agar endi masalan do'stlaringiz uxlaganda masalan ularga yaxshi bir tilak tilab, voy shirin tush ko'rgin, voy tatliq tush ko'rgin deganni nima deymiz? Desanglar, have a sweet dream. Okay, have a sweet dream. Okay, nima? Demakchi voy yaxshi tush ko'raman. Good. Amsa shu practice qilib baqaylik. Hamda ma policeman nima qilyapti bolalar Amerika policeman? Okay, wave. Shnama? What about that? It is sign, bìlgەn. Shnama? What about this? You know, it's street, speed limit. Shnama? What about this? It's charge. What is that? It's driving license. Next one is a dream. A dream. Yaxshi dream. Xo'sh, endi tekstga keldik. Endi tekstni nima qilishdan burun bir necha savol bor. Mush savolga asosan avval savolni so'raymiz. Undan keyin sizlar shu savolga asosan qanday qilinglar? Misalni anlig'idan asosan nima qilinglar? Qaranglar. Why did the policeman stop the car? Nimishqa ersaqchi bu mashinani to'xtatdi? Why? Can you tell me why? Okay, next. And how fast was the man driving? Okay. How fast was the man driving? Aslınca o actually qanchalik tezlikda edi mashinani. So, did the man see the speed limit? Actually, bu surat cheklamasi ko'rdimi? Did he? So, did the policeman charge him? Saqchi uning jarimani qo'ydimi? Qo'ydimi? Okay. So, first listen carefully and then you answer these questions. Bo'ldi? Answer savollarga ko'ngil qo'yib olinglar.
Lesson 129. 70 miles an hour. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. What does Anne advise her husband to do next time?
Look, Gary, that policeman's waving to you. He wants you to stop.
Where do you think you are? On a racetrack? You must have been driving at 70 miles an hour.
I can't have been.
I was doing 80 when I overtook you. Didn't you see the speed limit?
I'm afraid I didn't, officer. I must have been dreaming.
He wasn't dreaming, officer. I was telling him to drive slowly.
That's why I didn't see the sign.
Let me see your driving license. I won't charge you this time, but you'd better not do it again.
Thank you. I'll certainly be more careful.
I told you to drive slowly, Gary.
You always tell me to drive slowly, darling.
Well, next time, you'd better take my advice.
All right, finished? Good. So first question. So why did the policeman stop the car? Why? Who can answer? Answer me. Why? Okay. Because Gary was driving it too fast. Okay, too degan demakchi aksimaring ma'noda emasmi? Shuna вообще tez deb aytgan, shunami? Okay. How fast did Gary drive? 50, 60, 70? Which one? Yeah, 70 miles an hour. All right. Did the man see the speed limit? No, right? So, did the policeman charge Gary? Did he? Jarimani qo'ymadimi balla? No, right? Yaxshi, ha? Good. Hamsa bugungi darsimizdan intayin muhim nuqtalarga diqqat qildi. Demak, mush nuqtalarni tushunsanlar bola mush tekstni tushungan bo'lsa. Birinchisi, he wants nima deydi ma? Masalan, malsaqchiniki nima qilibdi? Najab do'rab bilamadimi? Deydi-ku. Demakchi, he wants you to stop. Okay. And want somebody to do something degani ma'lum bir kishini manda qilgan deyish, shunami? Yoki qilishni xohlash degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? Masalan, buni o'qishni masalan tell somebody to do something. Okay, tell somebody to do something. Okay, masalan tell somebody not to do something bo'lsa, masalan, buniki manda qilmaslikni xohlash yoki qilmaslikni deyish. Okay, masalan ask somebody to do something degan ma'lum kishidan mandaq ma'lum bir ish qilib berishni qanday qilish, talab qilish. Ask, shunami? Okay, ask somebody not to do something degan nima desanlar, shu qilmaslikni so'rashga talab qilish degan gap. Okay. Answer qaranglar. Well, next time you'd better take my advice. Xo'sh. Next time you'd better. Endi men yerga you'd better to do something degan nima desanlar, siz eng yaxshi manda qilganingiz tuzuk. Siz eng yaxshi manda qiling. Bu yerga the better deganimiz ham nima desanlar, had better niki nimasi qisqartirilgan shakli. You had better. Okay. Okay. Amsa siz keyin qatim eng yaxshisi qanday qiling? Balduraq o'rningizdan turing. Nima deymiz? You'd better get up early next time. Siz eng yaxshisi keyin qatim qanday qiling? Baldur turing. You'd better get up early next time. You'd better get up early next time. You'd better get up early next time. Good. Kingsa. And then şu bugünkü dersimizin time noktalıdır. Hem de mana retell qıpaqaylı sağlaşlar. Yani fill in the blanks according to the text. Demekçe muş boş orunlarını muş text asasen ne qıplan. Demekçe policeman was waving to Gary. Ağı saqçı Gary'ge qol planlaşıydı yoki işaret qilyapti shunami? He wants Gary to stop. O Gary'ni to'xtatishgan deydi. Gary must have been driving at 70 miles an hour. Gary ayni vaqtida 70 mil soatiga 70 mil surat bilan haydayotdi. The policeman was doing 80 an hour to overtake him. The policeman was doing demekçe haydayotdi. Demekçe motosini haydayotdi. 80. Demekçe mi doing'ni qimmat qatmakmidi? Endi men ara doing 80 demekçe onu qilganda 80lik surat bilan qilyapti. Demekçe haydayotdi. Shunami? An hour. Bir soatiga. Nima? To drive, to overtake him. Demekçe onu yandash uchun. Demekçe ma to degan savoldoshlar odatda ismlarni oldiga kelsa yo'linishini bildiradi. Shunami? Ha. Okay, endi fe'llarni oldiga kelsa ko'rsanglar maqsadni. Nima uchun? Uni yandash uchun 80lik surat bilan menyapti. Shunami? Was doing. O'tgan davomlashayotgan zaman. O'tgan davomlashayotgan zaman. Okay. And was telling Gary to drive slowly. And Gary'ga aldırmay yeyden davatatti. He didn't see the speed limit sign. Lekin o şu sürat cheklimiz belgisini koymagan edi. The policeman didn't charge Gary this time. Bu ersaqchi bu qatim bu Gary'ga jarimani qo'ymadi. Told him that onunğa dedi ki he had better not to do again. But had better deganimiz amay degandek eng yaxshisi buni ikkinchi qatim qilmaslikni dedi. Tushunami? Good. Amsama bugungi ayn time bo'yim sentence structure qaraylik. Birinchisi Gaga must have been ill yesterday because he didn't go to school. Okay. Am sağlaştı mesela must be, can't be deb o'tgan saatlik darsimiz o'rgangan. Must be deganimiz endi siz ma'lum bir ishga nisbatan intayin aniq nayte shuningga o'zingizning yakunini aniq o'tirib qo'ysangiz endi buning ehtimollik albatta 90%, harigiz 100% emas. Agar 100% degan bo'lsa nima? Gaga was ill yesterday deysiz. Siz shuningga 100% shu gapingizning to'g'riligiga ishonch qila olsangiz Gaga was ill yesterday deysiz. Lekin must be degancha u cho'qim. Demakchi shu jazmlashtira olsangiz, demakchi shuning ehtimolligi 90% holati bo'la olsa, nima? Gaga must have been ill yesterday. Okay, must have been. Endi buning hozir zaman shakli u cho'qim og'rib qoldi bo'lsa must be ill. Shunami? Endi bu must have been deganimiz hamda ko'pinchisini versanglar, shu o'tgan zaman, o'tib ketgan ishga nisbatan o'zingizningki qiyosini o'tirib qo'yganda, siz shu qiyosingizni jazmlashtira olgan ahvolda must have been ishlatamiz. Nima? U turgan og'rib qolgan edi, chunki u maktabga kelmadi. Masalan, he can't be ill. I saw her play in the garden. Oy, uning og'rib qolgan bo'lsa natayinti. Men uni tunugun, men uni nari ko'rdim. Shu gullikda o'ynayotganligini ko'rdim, shunami? Good. Men yerga yesterday o'tgan zaman. Endi men yerga must have been degan nima yarasanlar, shu o'tgan ma'lum ishqa sizni aytish, shuni jazmlashtira olsangiz, kesib ayta olsangiz, shu must have been ishlatamiz. Okay. Bu hammasi qaysi nima yarasanlar, cho'qim o'tgan zaman, agar hozirgi zaman bo'lsa, must be, can't be, inkor shakli can't be. Unda qilgan bo'lsa natayini deydi, shunami? U ayni vaqtda qilgan bo'lsa natayini deydi. Qaranglar. Gaga couldn't find her key. Gaga odanki ochiqchini qanday qilamiz balla? Topolmadi. Shunaqa yesterday. Where was it? Why wouldn't that edi? Mesela resimga qarab qo'yinglar, bir seni bed, okay, box. Oniki bu narsa ekan-ku. It must have been, okay, key. It must have been, not again. Good. It must have been, behind, in that box. In that bag. Okay, and it can't have been, it can have been under the bed. Or it can have been in his pocket. Or it can have been behind the camera. Okay, or welcome to camera and demek siz mushu yakunni chiqarganda qanday desangiz o'tgan zamonga hisoblanadi. Tushunarlimi? Okay, it can't be bo'lsa hozirgi zaman. Okay, and so mushu must have been bilan can have been to'ldirib qo'yinglar. Nima deymiz? He can't have been ill because I saw him playing basketball just now. Okay, u og'rib qolgan bo'lsa, tayinida chunki men uningki abaytaqa futbol o'ynayotganligini, basketbol o'ynayotganligini ko'ribshnami? Og'rib qolgan o'ynamaydi-ku. Okay. Number 2. You must have been tired yesterday because you had traveled for such a long time. Okay, demakchi, siz cho'qim qanday qilib ketdingiz, yerib ketdingiz tunugun. Nimishqa? You have traveled for such a long time. Siz shunchalik uzun vaqt qanday qildingiz? Sayohat qildingiz. Okay? You have traveled such a long time, right? Good. The road is wet, so it must have been rainy last night. Okay, now that's it. Bu yo'l qanday ekan, namkin. Cho'qim qanday qilgan gap, turgan kechda yomg'ir yoqqan gap, yomg'ir yog'magan bo'lsa, wet bo'lib ketmaydi. Good. Guys, and that's all for today. So there's some homework for today. And bugungi darsimizda asosan intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalardan birinchisi nima degan nuqta deganda, mushu must have been, can't have been. Bu birisi bo'lishsiz o'tgan zamondagi bo'lib o'tgan ma'lum ishlar o'zlarininki qiyosini bildirsanglar boshdan keldi. Undan keyin had better degan eng yaxshi ma'no qilinadigan gap-ku. Okay, had better. Okay, asosan mushlar bo'ldi. Mushlarni intayin yaxshi takror qilinglar. Ondan keyin oxirgi mashqlarni ishlanglar. Ondan keyin oxirgi mashqning javobini tez aniq qilmasanglar, qanday desanglar, bizning avditalniki undarisliklarda bir yer bor. Undarisliklarga yaqarsanglar, shuniki javoblari bor. O'zinglar avval cho'qim ishlab bo'lib, undan keyin ko'rishinglar kerak. Bo'lmasa qanday desanglar yaxshi bo'lmaydi, ha? Okay. Bo'ldi? Bu yergacha olsin. If you have any questions, and you can visit our website or you can visit our iOS or Android apps. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.